In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Travel Notice Charles Schwab. If you're heading abroad and want your debit card to work smoothly, setting a travel notice is a quick, protective step that helps prevent your transactions from being flagged as suspicious. I'll walk you through doing it on the Schwab website, and I'll explain when it's better to call customer support instead. Stay with me to the end for a few simple tips that can save you time and stress on the road. Let's start on the Schwab website. First, sign into your account. Once you're in, look for the support section. Then choose Debit Cards and Checks. From there, select Travel Notices and then Add Travel Notice. This is where you'll enter your travel dates and your destinations. Make sure your dates fully cover your entire trip, including the day you leave and the day you return. If you have very early or late flights, it's smart to cover those margins so purchases at airports or stations don't trigger alerts. For destinations, list every country you plan to be in and don't forget layovers. Even if you're just passing through for a few hours, transactions made during connections can still look unusual to fraud systems. Once everything looks accurate, submit the notice. You should see a confirmation that your travel notice is on file. Now let's talk about calling customer support. This is a great option if your trip is long, complicated, or involves many countries and date changes, or if you can't access the website or the app. When you call, have your account information ready and be prepared to share your travel dates and all destinations. The representative will add the notice for you and may confirm a few security details to protect your account. This is especially helpful if you want to explain unique scenarios, like extended stays or multiple back-to-back trips. A few important tips before we wrap up. If you have multiple debit cards on your account, you need to add a travel notice for each card separately so they all work abroad. Be thorough with your country list, including every stop and layover. Set this up before you travel to avoid declined transactions at hotels, ATMs, or restaurants. Remember, a travel notice doesn't remove all fraud protections. It simply helps your legitimate purchases go through by telling Schwab where you'll be. That's it. Take a few minutes to set your notice, and you'll travel with more confidence knowing your card is ready when you are. Safe travels!